Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always, okay? So as you see right here, we are going to be talking about the 1 inch token or the exchange, and basically 1 inch is sitting at a price of around $2.34. Today we are down 19 cents or approximately 7.68%. So yeah, today we are really down with 1 inch, but we are going to be removing this buy zone because you can already tell we are really down, and make sure you don't miss on this opportunity with 1 inch, because look, the lowest that we were into this kind of period from, like, actually from 20 at somewhere after January. This was the lowest point that we got on 23rd of May actually. Then again we had a push to the downside on 22nd of June, and right now we're really close to that. I mean, this was low as much as like $1.79. Then the low of this candle was at right around $2.07, and right now the low is at $3.03. So it probably will be a great idea to get in right now because we are really low, and don't miss on this opportunity again. I'm just repeating myself over and over, but overall and for the long run, this is what I think that will be happening, that we're going to be having this kind of a prediction. But we will see, guys. I mean, I'm not financial advisor, this is just like my prediction, and I think that we're going to be reaching this order block right there. We had an order block right here, we could just push that up right there, but I think that this will be more reachable, okay? And the low of this actual bearish candle. And actually, let me just push this to the upside. So this is the order block that we want to fill, okay? If we go to the lower time frame, just scale it up right now, down below right there. And yeah, you have a imbalances right here, which were, yeah, they were filled right here. They were kind of filled, so the threshold that we want to reach is around just below 450, and yeah, so on and so on. So yeah, guys, make sure don't miss on this opportunity. This will be basically for 1 inch token, and peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.